So this is a little exercise. This is a tissue box. This tissue box, of which we will have, well, you might have some because they're quite difficult to get hold of, boxes of tissues, but I'm sure you have a box somewhere that's about to be finished. What to do with the tissue box? Right, this is the bottom of the tissue box here, this is the top. Take a pencil and I'd punch through with the pointy end into the box and make about 8 holes in the box. You can probably see them there, spaced out. Plastic straws. Now, plastic straws, I know, are a big issue at the moment, and I certainly would be suggesting you going out and buying plastic straws, but these are ones I've had for many, many, many years, long before we thought plastic was going to be an issue. And they're still in perfect condition. That's the issue, isn't it? The fact that they are still perfect condition. They must be 25 years old, these straws, and they're still in perfect condition. So if you're going to buy straws, then please try and buy paper straws, not plastic ones. And if you can't buy straws, I went out into my garden just a little while ago and found some lovely little new twigs that are just coming through. So you could pick a few of these. The purpose is to put the straws into the holes. Now that requires great hand-eye coordination. It's a brilliant thing for practicing, and such an easy, clever little toy. And if you haven't got the straws, you can put the sticks in. You can wash the sticks beforehand if you want, but I didn't bother. And then, of course, once the sticks have all gone in, they will pull them all, your child will pull them all out and then start all over again. And this is a game that will keep children fascinated for a long time, putting in the straws, developing that hand-eye coordination, taking all the straws out one at a time, they'll do it. And what I want to show you is, this is the picture of my son, same shoebox, the straws, same straws, well, possibly different straws, at 9 months old. This is him doing his straw and shoebox game. And he played with that many, 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 many times.